Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Nintendo Switch dock not charging or connecting to the TV. Fix 1. Unplugging and power cycling. Disconnect the power cable and HDMI cable from your Nintendo Switch dock. Press and hold the power button on the dock for about 10 to 15 seconds to power cycle it. Power off your Nintendo Switch console as well. Reconnect the power cable, HDMI cable and place your Switch into the dock. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and check if it charges properly. Fix 2. Checking power cables. Ensure that the power cable is securely connected to both the dock or a working power outlet. Avoid using extension cords or power strips. Plug the dock directly into the wall outlet. Verify the power outlet is functioning by testing it with another device. Fix 3. Check the HDMI cable. Connect the HDMI cable directly from the Nintendo Switch dock to an HDMI port on your TV. If you suspect a faulty HDMI cable, replace it with a new one. Fix 4. Insert cables in proper order. Insert the power cable into the Nintendo Switch dock first. Connect the HDMI cable from your dock to your TV. Place your Nintendo Switch into the dock carefully. Fix 5. Try a different HDMI port on the TV. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI cable to a different HDMI port on your TV. Select the corresponding input on your TV. Fix 6. Check the switch position in the dock. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is properly seated in its dock with a secure connection. Fix 7. Reset the AC adapter. Turn off your TV and disconnect all the cables from the dock. Unplug the AC adapter from both the wall, socket and the dock for at least 30 seconds. Reconnect the AC adapter directly to a wall outlet and then to your console. If no image appears, try restarting your console. If after following these steps you still encounter issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Check Nintendo's official customer support website and Nintendo's customer support to see if your issue has a simple solution. Here on this website you can find similar issues you are facing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.